Hello friends. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a very interesting topic. The formation of images by a concave mirror. Now don't worry. It sounds complicated, but I am going to break it down in a way that even if you have never heard of it before, you will understand clearly by the end of this lesson. Let's start with a simple definition. A concave mirror is a mirror that curves inwards, like the inside of a spoon. This shape makes it special because it can reflect light in different ways and create different types of images. Let's start with case 1. The object is at infinity. The characteristics of the image are object position at infinity, image position at focus F, image nature real and inverted. Size of the image highly diminished. Point size. Case 2. The object is placed at a distance greater than the center of the curvature, that is beyond C on the principal axis. The characteristics of the image are object position beyond C, image position between F and C, image nature real and inverted. Size of the image diminished. Case 3. The object is at C, center of curvature. The characteristics of the image are object position at C, image position at C, image nature real and inverted. Size of the image same size. Case 4. The object is located between the center of curvature and the focus of a concave mirror. The characteristics of the image are object position between C and F, image position beyond C, image nature real and inverted, size of the image enlarged. Case 5. The object is placed exactly at the focal point F of the concave mirror. The characteristics of the image are object position at focus, image position at infinity, image nature real and inverted, size of the image highly enlarged. Case 6. The object is placed between the pole and the focal point F of the concave mirror. The characteristics of the image are object position between P and F, image position behind the mirror, image nature virtual and erect, size of the image enlarged. Real life visualization. Application of concave mirror. Imagine the sun as an object at infinity. When sunlight, that is parallel rays, fall on a concave mirror, the rays focus at the focal point, creating a concentrated spot of light, a real image. This is the principle behind solar cooker and furnaces. Searchlights and torches. How it works? The light, that is the source, bulb, is placed at the focus, F of the concave mirror. This configuration ensures the reflected light forms a parallel beam of light that can travel over long distances. This is ideal for applications like lighthouses, searchlights, flashlights and torches, where a strong, focused parallel beam of light is required. Number 2. Headlights of vehicles. How it works? The filament, that is the light source, is positioned near or at the focal point of the concave reflector, creating parallel light rays that ensures visibility over long distances. Shaving or makeup mirrors. Why? Shaving mirrors use concave mirror to enlarge the image and make details of the face more visible for precise grooming. How? The face is placed between the pole and the F, that is the focus, creating a large, upright, virtual image behind the mirror. Dentist mirror. Why? Concave mirrors enlarge the image of the teeth for inspection. How? The area being examined, that is the T, is positioned between the mirror's pole and its focal point, magnifying the view. Concave mirror is used in reflecting telescopes and projectors to capture and focus distinct images onto smaller screens. Let's summarize the topic in the form of table. I hope you enjoyed this image formation by concave mirror. Keep following us for more such interesting videos. Until then, goodbye and happy learning.